overhead?
No.
45 minutes for that first dump. Should be good. We're just going to do a short string and cut and go.
You copy that, dispatch?
Nothing but garbled up noise, same as when I went on vacation. Over.
Yeah, 45 minutes between Cruzatte and Amherst, and then we'll leave that other shot out.
Minutes now. Which way do you need signals? Just at 545, or what are you guys doing? Over.
Yeah, I'll need signal at 545 southbound. We'll shove out of the siding, go up there and dump, and then I guess we can either hold the main or the siding at Amber if you need to run somebody around it.
That's what I'm thinking. We'll get that one done, that stick done there. He's just coming to Pryor, great big ugly old train. So we should have plenty of time to dump one and then either get between the switches, which I don't care, and run him through, or either way for me. Over.
Any preference, Jeremy?
Shouldn't matter. Main line would be better, I guess.
Alright, put us down the main and Amherst to the run around. And I got to run around it, and then behind him, we're going to have a shot.
Where Amtrak is at that point, over.
Oh, is 14 actually on time this morning?
Heck no. Don't be talking all crazy on me now. About an hour and 15 late out of Cape Falls, looks like to me. Over.
Alright, copy that, over.
Spectrum.
Wood 68, can you read me now, Joe?
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, I'm here with the rail train as well. Long term, once we're done with that, we'll look to run these guys back to Heather. We will be holding the Heather siding tonight. I left a message there with Steve, but no answer yet. So if you want to plan for that, and then we have one location to dump just north of Heather, and then we'll be working south out of Heather long term here.
Sounds good to me. One thing I did want to ask you about, I got one of those WELEPZs coming. Is he dumping on your side today also?
He's already out of Cape Falls.
Going into Grass Lake, probably, hour and a half from Cape Falls right now.
Can you do me another favor then? Call Mr. Owens and see if that inbound crew can get that power on the head end, or if you can contact that train and see if they can get the power on the head end there. Over.
Okay, I will see what I can find out for you.
And then from there, yeah, if they, we need to dump in daylight hours over here, so I'm not sure if that thing can get there. Well, just give me a holler when it gets to Cape Falls, and if we're able to get the head end on, the power on the head end, please, over.
Good enough, thanks. BP 882 south, diverging approach, BP 541.